to recover a deleted file from Teams. In this video, we're going to recover a deleted file from Teams. In Teams, you might accidentally delete a file instead of, for example, moving or copying it. To recover the file, open the team where the file was saved. Select any channel within the team and then select the File tab. In the top tab menu, select Open in SharePoint. If you don't see this option, you might need to select the three dots to see more options. This will open the SharePoint backend of the team in a browser. You may need to sign in with your AppScore's email. Select Recycle Bin in the left side menu. This will show you a list of all the files deleted within the last 90 days. Select the file you want to recover. At the top, select Restore. The file will disappear from the Recycle Bin list. Now, if you go back into Teams, the file will reappear. By following these steps, you can easily recover a deleted file from Teams.